folks, I'm Laura from Leavenworth Mountain Products, and I'm going to show you how to make a template for your custom frame bag. First, you're going to want to find a piece of cardboard, an old grocery bag, or some poster board. I definitely recommend a grocery bag if you have it, because it'll be easier to send it in the mail to me. Go ahead and tape it onto your frame, grab a Sharpie, and then trace the inner part of your frame onto your template. Try to get as close to the edges as you can when you're doing this. Alright, once you've traced your frame, you're going to want to indicate any places that you don't want straps. For example, if you have cable stops, water bottle cage mounts, especially on the bottom of your frame, make sure you make a note of where those are. And if you're getting a full frame bag for a full suspension bike, make sure you note the position of your shock within your frame as well. Once you're done, you can just take your template off. If there's any other things you want to add on there, for example, if you want to make sure that your bag doesn't interfere with your crank, just go ahead and mark out the line where you want your bag to stop to give you a little bit of clearance there. Write the bike that you have inside the template. So this is a Specialized fuse, and it's a medium frame. That way I can reuse your template if anyone else has the same bike. And then send it on over and we'll get your frame bag made up as soon as possible.